Hey, what's up guys? So you have a Nintendo Switch Lite and you have an issue with your sticks here. It's not working properly. Maybe it's like drifting or it's ghosting, or it just feels sticky or it doesn't move all the way one way. We're going to go ahead and fix that right now, okay? So there's several things that we're going to do, okay? First thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and try to recalibrate it. So first thing is, what we're going to do is you just want to go into your settings here. And then we're going to go ahead and go down to control and sensors right here, and then move over to the right. And now we're going to go ahead and go down till we see calibrate control sticks. Let me tap on that. Okay, now what stick has the issue? Okay, for instance, let's say this one here has the issue. Let me just click on that one. Now first thing we got to do is we have to make sure everything works correctly. Okay, you can see when I go outside the circle it turns blue. Okay, sometimes you guys have an issue where you can't go all the way one side. It doesn't go all the way up unless maybe if you push really hard on the stick and then it'll show. Okay, if that's the case, then you have an issue with your controller here, and hopefully calibrating it will fix it. Also, some of you guys may have something like this where you go up here and you let go. Every time you let go, it should go directly back to the middle. It shouldn't go something like this. If you let go, it shouldn't do something like this and then go in, like any kind of like pause or anything like that. And we should be able to go around like this, showing all the blue circle. Okay, you can see the blue circle right there. So anything we do here, it has to go directly right back into the middle when we let go. Okay, if you don't, then you have an issue. First thing we're going to try to do is just calibrate it. To calibrate it, go ahead and click on the X, or you can tap on it. So I'll tap on X here. Recalibrate this only if there's a problem. Mine's already fixed, but I'll go ahead and recalibrate it again. So from here, there's the arrow. We just want to go ahead and follow the arrow to the right, down, left, and then up. Now we want to go in a clockwise motion, like 3 or 4 times. Calibration is complete. Now go ahead and try it. Okay, you should have like no issues here. Now if you do, the next thing I want you to do is this. Now I'm going to use a little bit of alcohol and just rub it down here on the sticks here. But before we do that, what I want you to do is I want you to, whatever stick has the issue, what I want you to do is press down a bunch of times like this, and then go ahead and move it around. Sometimes you have like a little bit of dust or debris in here. This will get it working, okay? Just keep doing this. Press in and out, circle it. You can even blow in it a little bit. See if that takes care of the issue. If not, we're going to move over to the alcohol. So I can use the rubbing alcohol here or the 99% alcohol here. It doesn't really matter. What we're going to do is just use a little bit of alcohol. So I'm going to go ahead and just wet just a little bit, just like this, as you can see. And let's go to the controller that you're having issues with. And what I want you to do is try to get in here like this and just move it all in like this. And make sure when you're doing it, you're moving the stick too, okay? Keep going like this, all underneath here. And you can see it's a little bit damp there. Not sure if you can see it's damp there. Go ahead and move it around. Blowing it a little bit. And now you guys should be good to go. Now, if you put alcohol on it and it's still having issues on here, then go ahead and just recalibrate it again, okay? Just go ahead and select, go back to here, and then select on the X to recalibrate. Click on there, and then do the same thing over here. Go to the right, all the way down, all the way left, all the way up. And then do the same thing here as well. And then hopefully you guys are up and running. All right? If it worked for you, thumbs up. If not, give me a thumbs down so everybody knows. Good luck, guys.